on private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think.
Good morning or evening. How y'all doing? Mental health check-in. Talk to me. How's it been going? Did y'all get your taxes? Did it help? I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. When you get to a different tax bracket, it pisses you off. But let's read a couple of mommy affirmations. It's okay if I can't do it all. It's okay to feel my emotions. I'm doing the best I can. I will always keep going. My home is my child's safe space. That's who I do it for. I do it for the kid. Now this week I just did. I don't know what it looks like, how it came out. So I wanted to actually do it on camera to see, you know, if I did what I was supposed to do or not. Band in. Okay. This is one of them Amazon finds. You know, I was running out of stuff to do. But this is cute. This is real cute. I don't even gotta fix my little puffy ponytail. I just gotta lay all this down. Let me show y'all a trick real quick. Finger. Just where you want it to lay down. That's it. No more, no less. No more, no less. Give it a couple seconds. You know, for y'all extra security girlies, do it twice. Me, I'm good with one. And just drop it in there. Just drop it. Like, literally. That's all you're doing. Just dropping it into place. You drop it into place. Okay. Alright. I like this. I need to stretch out this curl a little bit. And do something to these edges, but I like this. I'm proud of myself. I didn't try though. I didn't do nothing. This was just raw. And I guess that's will be my best content, is raw. Oh, this is it. I like this. I like this. And see, just that spray. I'm laid. And I'm done. Like, it really be that simple. And this was an Amazon find, like I said, a cheap one. I needed something to do. I love them deals. I'll find a deal and I'll do something with the wig in a minute. Yes. They said post content. I got to keep making it. I don't want y'all to book me for hairstyle. I want y'all to book me for wigs. I want y'all to know these wigs is easy. Come get you one. Come join the team. Shit's easy, bro.